To draw an Adidas Predator soccer boot, you're going to need a pencil and a pen and an eraser. Let's start with the heel. So we'll come around like that. And we're just going to draw this very gently in pencil as a plan. And then we'll come up to about there. And then we have this sort of shield over the top of the laces. And you'll see a few laces coming in there. And then this is going to come down sort of like that. And then this is coming in at the heel where it goes up and down and sort of around in there. And then we're going to have here this sort of Predator strap coming around there and a bit there. And then this is all the sole of the boot here, which is sort of coming like that up to a point there. And then we're going to want this to sort of come down into these studs. And that's just going to be just in front of the Predator ribbon bit there. And so this is actually wanting to come down. I think that's gone a bit high. This is the good thing about drawing in pencil first. Is that if you make a mistake, it's quite easy to redraw it as you're going along. And then here we're going to want to come down to back stud, a little bit square, and then another stud there, like that. And we want this kind of heely bit coming up there, and then a kind of a pattern, in about there, like that, and across. And we want this kind of flash sort of bit coming forward down. Then it's going to come underneath there and up and around like that. And then we want these swooshy, I shouldn't say swoosh, should I? That's a Nike kind of thing. And that's actually going to come through there, and that will come through there. So always draw the bits which are kind of nearest to you, and then we're going to draw this kind of thing on the top. It's like a shield over the top of the laces, which is going to be coming back like that, and sort of a bit of a wasp predator kind of look to it. And we're going to have some laces showing through, and they're going to be coming into the holes there. So then we can come around and up, back into the heel, down and around like that. Here we're going to want to write Tor. Got a little bit in the back there. This comes down. Let's get that sort of whooshy swoosh pattern there. And we want this sort of lacy, ribbony bit there, which also says Predator. Spelt that wrong, haven't I? Predator. I'll get that right in the Photoshop at the end. Then that's going to come up and around like that. The boot comes down forward. Let's do this part here, which is going to be red. Bit around there. And then we're going to want sort of lines sort of in between the studs. Sort of coming down like that. Slightly rounded. Coming down slightly rounded like that. And they have this sort of transparent base underneath, don't they? So that will come down slightly rounded there. And then we want these, let's call them whoosh lines, stripes. Are they stripes? They're more than a stripe, aren't they? They're definitely not swooshes. So let's do, there's this kind of stripy pattern inside them like that. And then we have a sort of a stripy pattern imprinted on the material like that. Then all you need to do is erase those pencil lines, which were your guide, and everyone will go, wait a minute, how did you draw that so accurately and in the right place on the page and everything? You'll just go, I'm a great artist. All you need to do is colour it in and click that subscribe button down there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.